Hi kiddos and welcome back to Fun Drawings with Tanu Auntie, and today as requested we are going to make only the face of Ma Durga. See, every lady is Ma Durga, so basically when we make the face of Ma Durga it will be a lady's face. So let us start. First, for starting, what we do is we make the outer shape of Durga Ma, correct? We'll make the outer shape. I hope I cannot draw it very darkly, children, so I hope it is clear. This is just the outer face, then this will be the neck somewhere here, and this shall be the T factor. Okay, after doing this T factor, what we do is I always start with the lips. So 1 U, 2 U and a dash. From here, just to make a smiling face, we take the lips a little up, we take a turn and come down, we take a turn and come down. Okay, and then from here what we do is make the lips, and here when we go up you have to just make a small triangle to show the happy face. Now this will be the chin portion. Okay, now there is a very famous painting where there is a till here. I am not doing any Rati Agnihotri, let me tell you that. Now we'll go for the nose part. So a U, a turn. I usually go the opposite direction. I always choose the opposite direction. I never choose the direct one. That is how I do it. If you all want, you all can do the direct one. This will be her nathni somewhere here. Now since this is the T factor, we'll have the eyes here. And since it is a statue, because we are not making a realistic face, children, we are making a statue, I will show you the ideas of making the eyelashes. Okay, just keep the sizes in mind when you do it. So this should be equal to this, should be equal to this, should be equal to this, should be equal to this. Basic. This will be her eyelid. Okay. The eye is a little smaller. Be very careful. You can use multiple strokes unless and until you feel yes, the eyes have come proper. Now since it is Durga Ma, she'll be applying good amount of kajal, so we have to take good care of her eyes. Now this is the basic eye structure. See, this equal to this, equal to this, equal to this, equal to this. Okay, now bindis and all we'll do later on, but let us make the eyebrows, the lifted eyebrows of Ma Durga. Children have requested me to make a little bit of pencil shading. Yes, children, I will do that. And there is a request of making a boy with a cap. Surely I'll do it. So I'm just rubbing my T factor. Now this is the face, blunt face, and we shall have the earrings and the necklace. So I'm just making the parts here because I'm not going to do the detailed earring or this. I'm just putting the portion where this is supposed to be. The ears will be here, and there will be a big jhumka. Okay, so let's make a big jhumka. You can use any designs, any designs. So even I don't know what design I'm using, but I'm trying to make a big jhumka. That's it. I love jhumkas. You can use any design of your choice. You all can search the net for jewelry designing and go in with ample amount of ways you can do the jewelry of the gods. Okay, now the ears and all. Now since this will be her hair, there will be a crown. Now I don't have space here. Now this is the crown which I am making, children. So this crown will take a turn. It will take its position here. Okay, it's gone up. And now the hair. Now this hair is going to be wavy. So one hair goes here, it goes here. This is a famous, actually it's a statue where Ma Durga is shown with open hair. Very pretty way of doing this art form. Basically all ladies are Ma Durgas, okay? So remember, you all are supposed to respect ladies. So this is the open hair which I have shown. I'll show you by coloring. The crown is coming here, so the hair will end up here. So this is Ma Durga with open hair, okay? With open hair, this is, and then we will have some sort of jewelry even here. So let's make a hand here with something like a shank in our hand. So let me rub a bit of this part. Let me make a finger. Let's see how it will look. I am not very sure. So this is the index finger which I am making, children. So the index finger, let it take a turn and come down here, and she is holding a shank, so it will come here. This will be the second finger. The index finger goes down. This will be the index finger, and let there be a shank here. So the shank shall be like that. Correct? I hope I've not made any mistakes. But you know, slowly I've realized I've made so many Bhagwans, yaar. I made so many of them. Unintentionally, without any intention of really making any Bhagwan, I made many Bhagwans. Okay, so she's having a shank. ऐसा ही होता है क्या shank? I am sure, not sure. It has a mouth, I think so, and it has a, yes, I think so, it's like that. Nah, the shank is like that, and she's put her hand inside it. So you know, when you put the hand inside, okay, the hand ka this should be here. Got confused. Hai na? It should be here. So the hand will go inside here, and let the shank be a little mota then. The hand is come here. वो जो शंख में जो छेद होता है वैसे. हाँ, now the structure has come. I was wondering कि क्यों मेरा structure नहीं आ रहा है. Yes, now the structure has come. So she is holding it. Here, this is her index finger, children. And she is holding the shank. वो शंख को ऐसा hold करेंगे तो the index finger is out, and she is holding it like that. So this thumb is gone behind. Okay, and now you have to make the bindi part. And I think so there is one U here. भगवान यार मेरे को माफ़ कर देना अगर मेरे से कुछ मिस्टेक हुई, because I am not very good at. And there is one eye which is supposed to be here. Correct? And then this is with taps of sunflower type thing. But this we can do with our acrylic color later on. Because ये जब भी हम लोग coloring करेंगे तो it will obviously go bad. Okay, so this I'll do it with the white acrylic color directly. Now I just wanted to show you the eyelashes part. Now when you do the eyelashes, correct, like that, how you are supposed to start is, you know how to do U pattern, correct? So I'll show you here instead. Okay, don't see my chota beam here. See if this is the eye. I'll show you with the sketch pen right away. Where's my sketch pen? Okay, see if this is the eye. Okay, this is your eye, this is your eyelid. Now when you're making your eyelashes, you have to use the U pattern, correct? See, this is the U pattern. You have to follow the U pattern and then darken the parts which are inside. Okay, this is the way you make the eyelashes. And then फिर ये eyelashes को तुम लोग ऐसे ऐसे थोड़ा थोड़ा लंबा कर सकते हो in the direction where the U is going. Understood, children? This is the way you make the eyelashes, and then you can fill, if you want, you can fill in between one. If you want ghani eyelashes. You want, oh, मेरा तो ये ऊपर चला गया. Again I'll show you. So sorry, I did not notice that I'm not in frame and I did it up. No problem, I'll show you again. See, this is your eye. Okay, now when you're making the eyelashes, you have to make the U pattern on the up eye. Okay, after you make the U pattern, what you are supposed to do is to color this part. Close to the eye, color this part. Then make the shendis a little more. Aisa. Now if you all wish, you all can put one in the same direction aisa. And then when you all are doing this, if you all are putting one, take care that you all are doing it doubly again. Okay, a thick one. I hope I am clear with the eyelashes part. And this way, see, I do it fast aisa. I'm used to it, but then still, and since it is a murti, it will have a little artificial look of these eyelashes. Okay, so when we do this, I will show you. Okay, let me show you in one eye. See, I'm making the kajal part. Now since she is Durga Ma, her eye ka kajal is going to be ekdam kadak. After that, okay, this will be the eyeball. The eyeball also 2-3 बार ऐसे कर देना. Then this will be the बीच का नारगुंडू, फिर अंडू. This you have to keep white. And when you all are coloring children, you all can use brown. See, I'm showing you. See, I have used brown here. I have used brown here. And then you're going to smudge it with yellow. Okay, leaving one small white spot here. Now after you do this, don't jump with the eyelashes part. Take your orange color, children. Take your orange color. Do this part very sharply and very darkly. Okay, this part very darkly. Then you take your red. I'm showing you one part, then I'll quickly do the other part. Then you take your red, you do a little red here, you do a little red here. Then when you're doing it, take a lighter shade of orange, see. And then when you're doing here, do here. Go with your skin. Leave a little space and again go with your skin here. See, this is the shine which you're going to put on top. Okay, and then you will take your red and do this part. Now the nose part, when it goes down, it is going to go down like that. So here I'm doing both together. Can you see? Okay, after this what you're going to do is take your orange and on the red you're going to do orange and baki it will be skin. I'm just showing you the eye part right away. After that I will teach you the others. Okay, now this is like that. Now you can take your charcoal pencil and do the eyelashes, because now my sketch pen is not going to write on it. So okay, I have closed my sketch pen. So what I am doing is 1 2 3 4 5 6. This I am doing it for you. I am not comfortable with this method, but this method is used for teaching. That is why I am doing it. I do it according to my wish. And since this is a statue, it is not a realistic one, I am using this. Now again, remember that children, you all are going to take your orange, clean it. The eye inside is not completely clear. So what you are supposed to do is a little bit of orange inside the eye. I have taught you all this in Sai Baba painting also. Now below the eye again there will be a big nice coat of orange. Okay, the big nice coat of orange. Now for her face and all, I am teaching you. See, this part is going to be white and then there will be orange here. Let me do the other eye first. What you say? Let me do the other eye also first, so that the eye makeup is done. Now for this I am using the little bit of eyelashes here. I am using my charcoal pencil, children. Please don't do it with the crayon, because these are delicate parts which you all might, even I can sometimes spoil it. Now when I am doing this, I am just doing the ghana eyelashes this side. I am not doing it this side. Okay, and then we can mark this part a little bit. Let me complete the other eye part so that I can go forward with the entire face. These are the eye. First you make your eyebrows like that, and then as it goes, you know, this is the way your eyelashes go. try and make it natural. First you make the way you have drawn it, ऐसा. फिर जैसे naturally जैसे बाल जाते हैं बेटा जी वैसा ही करने का. See your eyelashes बाल will go like that. Correct? Then lift one hair. Now I'm using the same technique, children. Just see it and then you all start. Since she is Durga Ma, her eye makeup has to be strong. Because she is not the ordinary woman, she is Ma Durga. So her eye makeup has to be ekdam ghatke. Okay, now we start. Where is my brown color? Yes, it's here. I take my brown, do browns here. I do my browns here. I take my yellows, do it here. Okay, after that I take my orange, do it here very darkly, daba daba ke, ghaseet ke. Okay, and then I do my orange here. I take a little bit of red for this line, a little bit of red here too, just for smudging part, a little bit of red here, a little bit of orange, then the skin color with a little white space left. Now the skin color going to come down, it's going to come down, it's going to come down. Okay, I'll show you this part later on. Let me finish it off first. So here you go like that. U pattern on the eye. This is the way the eyelashes are done, children. Remember that. U pattern on the eyebrows. Now this is again going to be a long video, but I don't want to stop it because I want you all to learn the way the eyelashes and everything is done. Because I think so this will be my last drawing for the Navratri festival. After that I'll go in for other drawings. I wanted to do the boy with the cap, but since it's the 4th day of Navratri, I said let me finish with the Navratri drawings first. Pencil shadings, yes, I'm going to teach you all. No problems with my pencil shadings, are very simple. Now this part is going to be orange. The entire face cut. The entire face cut is orange. Usually we do red, but this time we are not going to do red. We are going to do only orange. I'll show you where the red will come. And there will be a little bit of pink too. So this will be the part which is red. Okay. Now when you're doing it here, this is the blush on of Ma Durga. Till the lips, you all are going to use a little bit of red like that. A little bit, no daba daba ke, ghaseet ke. This is the way you all apply your blush ons, correct children? You all come to the cheeks, to the lips when you all apply your blush ons. Am I right? Okay, and then you can use a little bit of your pinky ponky color, okay, to do this part. Then we will be smudging it with skin and all. And we'll be using white. See, so many colors in my hand. Now this is going to be a bright color. Let's take our skin and start with the smudging part. See, I am using my skin on the reds and the pinks also. Correct? It is the matter of smudging, how you smudge. Now I've left a little bit of whiter part here and I'm smudging here. I'm smudging here too. Now this is skin where I have smudged, but this part is going to be a little orange because there are parts which are on towards the light and there are some parts which are darker. Correct? So this part is going to be orange. Then there will be a little bit of skin. This is completely skin. We are going to do the bindis and all later on, so don't you worry. Am I in the Pata chala, I'm not in the picture and I'm just doing it. When I start doing it, I forget whether I'm in the picture or no. Okay, this center part, after the bindi, you're going to leave it white. This much skeleton is clear. I feel it is clear. Now we are going to take a white, children. See, a white color. I'm keeping everything here. I'm tired holding it. And now I'm going to do jinka tinka tikka tikka white white. Jinka tikka 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 white white. Jinka tikka 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 white white. Pull the colors out, children. From whichever colors you get, please pull them out. Okay, keep on pulling them out. This part is going to be a little bit of white because this is the chinny part. Chinny. Okay, now the nose part. A little bit of skin here. And you have to put a ball type here and then go ahead. I'll show you how it will happen. See, now there will be a little brown color at the back side of the nose. Below the nose, this is the balls. Okay, now after that we are going to smudge it off. We don't want it that pointed, so we are going to smudge it off. You all will understand the entire smudging when I do my black, children. Okay, now I hope I am clear. See, this part is shining. This part is shining. Now I'll show you the red color ka jadoo. First we'll put a brown line here. This is the neck part, children. Okay, from the brown part, kuch to gir gaya. I don't know which color fell down. Just excuse me. I think so. There's some color. I forget it. I think so. Oh, giro mat yaar, giro mat. My brown color. Little bit of red. Otherwise, I will not know which color is gone where. And I'll be searching for you colors. Please don't do that. Now, we have the orange and our skin. So, we are doing guli with our skins. This is the gala. The down part, we'll do it later on. Don't you worry. Now when we do the lips, let me dust my book a little. Now when we do our lips, we are going to take the red color for the lips. Leave a little tunji of white somewhere. Here. Also leave a tunji of white somewhere. See, I have not colored the entire lip. Now I've taken my charcoal pencil. I am going it with this. See this, then the bracket nose, Can you see this now? Is this sharpened for you now? Okay, I think so. This has gone a bit farther. So what I'll do is I'll make a nathni here. Let's make a nathni here. I felt this was looking a little motu, so I have put my nathani. Now what am I going to do is with acrylic white, I'm just going to put white dots on it. Now with my lips part, this is the center part. Okay, upper ka part we don't have to brighten it so much, nor the lower part we are supposed to brighten it so much. It is only the center part and the triangles which we did that are to be blackened much better way. Now this will be just a small line, the tillu. This is the tillu and this is the neck and the face line, which is just one black stroke. Okay, now when we do the bindi part, so let's complete the bindi part with red. This U is also red, Chanda Mama, and then this is the eye. Okay, this is the eye part. So let's make the eye the way we make the eyes. The only thing is that you are going to give just a small This is the eye, this is the bindi part. The face is important, and then it will flow. The entire drawing will just flow the way it wants to. Okay, now this is the entire hair, this is the necklace. I think so the face is clear. And now I take my blacks, and see, I take my blacks and I take my brown. Okay, I'm taking my blacks and I'm taking my brown. This is the ornament, so leave it. But first what am I going to do is show you the whatever I had made with my black. This is the hair part, children. So whatever strokes I had made with my pencil, I'm just darkening it. I think so what am I supposed to do is first complete this parts so that you all are not confused. I'm just doing a shade of yellow wherever there are ornaments, so that even I am not confused, nor are you confused where the ornaments are. This is the shank, so leave it. This is the hand, which I need to do with the skin parts again. So this is the jhumka. I'm just doing it yellow and keeping so that I am not confused and I don't enter these parts, because if black color enters these parts, it is going to become a mess. Okay, so let's make these parts. Now this part is going to be completely dark, which is inside. This part will be completely dark. This part is going to be completely dark. Now let's go with the hair part. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the hair part. Let the hair fall. Correct? This is the hair. This is the hair. This is the hair. Now you can ghano it. Ghano it matlab you can use more strands to do it slowly. Take turns, take the strands, take turns. This is actually supposed to be a statue, which is usually used in various. If I have it on my mobile, I will just put it in front of you so that you all know what I have taken as reference when I was making this Ma Durga. Because when I was searching, one typical one is with the big earrings. That is a very typical drawing, which you find it very commonly everywhere. Correct? I did not want to do that typical one. So the other Ma Durga's photos which I was finding on the net were like that. Okay, now first let me complete with the hand part and then I will do the hair. I just wanted to show you a rough idea of her hair and her ornaments, where they are, so that you don't get confused. Now for the hand part, we are going to use our skin color. I'm just removing the chilka of skin. Okay, and we're going to use a little bit of white. So this is the skin color which I'm using, and her hands are usually with the alta, so it will be a bit ready. So hands with the alta part. This will be the alta part. Okay, and then you smudge it. You just have to smudge it properly. और फिर बाजू का जो होएगा वो उसका काम कर देगा. Nothing so much to worry about the hand part. I've just made 2 fingers. I haven't made the entire hand because I don't even have that space to make it. Okay, I was just making sure कि मेरा कौन सा फिगर कैसे कहाँ पहुँच रहा है. This will be the ornament. Okay, after making the ornament, I think so there should be more ornaments only here. This is also an ornament, and this will be the dress. I think so. This should be the dress. Nay, how can? Nay, this is the hair. Let me see. This is the hair which is going like that. So the hair will go like that from here also. Let it finish it with the hair. Now, what we are going to do is take a brown color, and in between, wherever we have not put our black color, there will be brown color, and then I'll show you what we do later on. See, this is the entire brown color which we have put. I'll do one side and I'll show you, and then the other side will be the similar one. I'm just putting brown color wherever there is no color of black. You cannot only put black, because otherwise your drawing is not going to stand out, children. If you want to show the shading of the hair, you'll have to use one more color. Either you can use the gande wala brown, or you can use the normal brown which you all have. See, now I have used my brown to color this part, and now again I'm going to use black strokes and finish it off. Can I take my book a bit like that so that you all can see properly? Now this complete book will be like that. Okay, I have used the strokes. Now I'll use my hand to smudge wherever required, and then again I'm going to put black, because we don't want a single spot of white. अपनी माँ दुर्गा एकदम यंग थी, मस्त एकदम. So no single spots of whites, huh? So I'm through with my hair this side. Now again I'm going to take my black, and now with binda strokes I'm going to do few more strokes. In fact, even more and stronger strokes for the hair. Now you can see the hair properly. This is the way when you do any drawing. जब बाल बनाने होते हैं हम लोग क्या करते हैं, the common mistake is we either do it brown or we do it black, and then the hairs don't stand out. You want your hairs to stand out, and when you want your hairs to stand, now you can put black strokes ऐसे. Like if you want some shendis to come out, you can use black and brown strokes. There is no limitation of how you do it. Correct? Now this side. For this side, oh, my chotu sa brown. Okay, I'm again taking my brown. I'll keep these colors aside. They're disturbing me a lot. And we start doing our browns. First, completely do the brown in the direction of the hair. हाँ, अगर ये hair ऐसे जा रहा है और तुम लोग ऐसे करोगे तो गलत हो जाएगा. In the direction of the hair, the way the hair are flowing. Please do it the way the hair are flowing. You all can use gande wala brown also, children. There is no problem. और फिर जकटक पटक जटक पटक जटक. कल मैं कैप वाला कर दूंगी और परसों में दूसरे वाला कर दूंगी. हाँ, प्लीज चिल्ड्रन. मेरे को लगा मेरी सबकी डिमांड्स ख़त्म होगा. मैंने बहुत थे ना एकदम उसमें पूछा अभी बता तुम्हारी क्या डिमांड है. मेरे को लगा किसी की डिमांड आएगी नहीं पर आ गई. नेवर माइंड. So see, they have hair here also, so this should go like that. When you make, you get confused sometimes. This happens with everyone. My hands are paining today. Never mind. Dicka 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 dicka. Oh, dicka 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 डिग्गा। अभी मैं क्या करूँगी पता है, बैकग्राउंड में आई जस्ट पेंट इट प्लेन रेड, because Navratri is a color where you find red everywhere. See, I finished the hair this side. Now what am I going to do is just पहले smudge and remove all my whites from wherever they are. Jewelry will be simple. I am not going to do anything very tough. I want to show that there are very beautiful and simple forms. हम लोग को लगता है ज्वेलरी बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट है करना, अरे बाप रे एक एक नग कौन बनाएगा, अरे तुमको वो एक एक नग बनाने की कोई आवश्यकता नहीं है. देर आर वेज वेर यू कैन डू अ सिंपल ड्राइंग. You need not be a very Mahan artist to do it, nor am I. See, I am a pharmacist and I am doing all this. And I have learnt not by someone teaching me, I have learnt by, I am self-taught children. By doing, oh, dekha, ho gaya na gadbad, R&Ds. I have to clean my hand because, see, in case a little bit of black, see there is a little stroke of black which has entered, but you never mind because you have done your skin color previously, it will get cleansed. So don't you worry, just keep a cloth with you so that you don't dirty things. देखा, बोलती हूँ तो भी मेरा तो हो ही जाता है. Now let's give a shape to everything. Slowly and steadily everything will have its shape. Now this is a shank, so it is going to be white, so I'm just coloring it white. Now this will be the darker portion because the hand is going inside, you have to show the darker portion of the shank. Now this is the way the shank is, correct? So she's put her hand inside the shank and all ready for the Navratri Garba. Now the jewelry part. Now since we have taken this brown, we can take a burnt sienna color, or we can take even maroon. I am taking maroon today. Let's try with maroon. What we are going to do is, on the yellow we are going to put maroon. Let's make the jewelry a little different this time. Of course we are going to use a little bit of acrylic, so I am just covering my jewelry whatever I had made with a maroon color. Okay. अरे टीचर क्या करते हो, छी छी छी, ऐसा मत बोलना, मैंने बहुत मस्त में की है, मेरे को पता भी नहीं था मैं कर सकती हूँ. It's always like that, children. You never know what you're going to make is going to come out to be good or whether it's going to come out to be bad. So just doing a mpa of maroon color on the yellow color whichever I had done. Okay, after doing this, what you are going to take is your scraper. See, this is your scraper, correct? Now we are going to make the items inside with the scraper. Can I use my nails? Even I don't even have my nails, but I am more comfortable with nails, children, and I have already taught you all this, but take it, I will use it. Wait, where's my maroon color? I have done a little bit of mistake, so let's rectify. It's time, we can do it. Now see, when we use a camel one, there is a small kangi here, so I'm using this kangi to make a little bit of design of the jhumka. Can you see the jhumka design which I have made? I'm going to use a little bit of acrylic color too, children. So this is my jhumka design which I am making. Okay, and I can make ample amount of designs with my. अभी इधर कैसे करूँ वांगड़ू वांगड़ू, ऐसा वांगड़ू कर, नहीं खराब हो गया यार, मैं ऐसे वांगड़ू वांगड़ू करती हूँ. आई लाइक डूइंग दिस. वांगड़ू 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 वांग. इवन ईयर just keep on doing anything. Wangdu 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 wangdu. Because when you see the jewels from far, you will find these wangdus only. You will not understand what design they have done unless and until you go very close to it and see. So now her sari color should be red because she is Ma Durga. So we'll have to use a little bit of or should we do fluorescent pink? Yes, fluorescent pink. Okay, wangdu wangdu here. Let's use a little bit of fluorescent pink. I think so. There is one necklace here. I'm not sure. What did I do? I'll have to rewind the video to see what did I do here. But I'll do it like that. So her dress is ready. Now what we are supposed to do is, first we will give it a shape of whatever we have done. Just give a shape to whatever you have done. Okay, everything needs finishing. After it is given a finished look, does it look nice? Correct? So let's give a finished look first, and after it we give the finished look, we can go in for the other parts. First give it a finished look. ये तो हो गया. Yes, इधर मेरे को थोड़ा सा फिनिशिंग का प्रॉब्लम लग रहा है, तो लेट्स डू इट. इधर हो गया. यस, हो गया है. और इधर हम लोग ऐसे कर देते हैं. आई डोंट नो व्हाट इट इज़. आई डोंट इवन नो व्हाट डिड आई डू इट. आई फॉरगॉट व्हाट आई हैड डन. नाउ आई हैव टू रिवाइंड एंड सी. सो आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू डू दैट. नाउ अगेन आई हैव टू कम इन पिक्चर. सी, द बैकग्राउंड कैन बी डन रेड. If I have my colors here, do I have my paints? Just give me 1 second. Let me check whether yes, I do have my paints here. So I remove my watercolor. Oh, yes, I do have pink also in it. So what I do is I take my pink from my watercolors. This is the only watercolor. I'm just going to use pink. Children, if you wish, you can use a combination of pink with yellow or any damn color, whichever colors you like. But try to use red because Mata Rani का सब color red होता है ना. So red will look beautiful. It is a full red to drawing. Correct? So I'm just using my red for the background because I don't want to keep it white. I don't prefer keeping anything ऐसा halfway done. So it's going to be a long video, children, but have patience. नहीं तो वो लास्ट टाइम जैसा हो जाएगा, गुलाल उड़ाना है बच्चों, वैसा वाला हो जाएगा. फिर बहुत कॉमेडी हो जाता है. मेरे को ही शर्म आ जाती मैं क्या कर रही थी. मैंने क्या कर दिया. Okay, so this is my tiny little brush, children, which I'm going to khul ja sim sim, khul gaya. This is my acrylic color, children. So I'm going to use my acrylic color. See, I have acrylic in my hand, and I'm going to put, I told you now we'll do the bindi with the acrylic. So very carefully I'm doing the bindi with acrylic. Can you see the white spots which I'm putting? Hey, this brush is not nice. I'll have to change it. This has having kutte ka kaan. I cannot use it. So I'll just change my brush. Actually I had taken another brush, पर मेरे को मिला नहीं. फिर मैंने बोला चल. And I had told you, see, मेरे को ये कान का खराब हुआ तो I'll put some white spots and it will become a gehena. See how it becomes a gehena, है ना? It has become a gehena, right or wrong? Right. Now see this eyes का चंबक, 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 chambaka. So the shiny eye is done. Now Can I change my brush? Just give me 2 seconds. I'm not very comfortable with this brush. अरे I had bought a nice brush. I don't know where did I lose it. अभी ये ब्रश अच्छा नहीं चलेगा ना तो थप्पड़ खाएगा. अभी कुत्ते के कान मत खड़े कर देना. Now where else? Okay. Now in this jhumka down we are going to put some white spots. So this is the jhumka with the white spots down. And इधर भी हम लोग एक वाइट स्पॉट डाल देते हैं. ठीक है. हो कि ना, बोलो बोलो बोलो, हो कि ना. So white spots for the jhumka ka down part. We can put little white spots in this, showing that there is some pattern. We can put white spot here, here, here. Okay, this red has come, so let's hide it with the white. आणखी कुठे करू मी? आणखी कुठे करू? Okay, let me do a line of white spots here to show that this is the ornamental crown. Enjoying it. I love doing painting, children. नहीं. अरे हाँ. मजा आई. अरे हाँ. अरे इधर नहीं किया तो क्या किया? So I think so I am through. In case there is any finishing, yes, I will do my finishing and then I shall post it. I will not post it without doing my finishing, children. Even y'all, please do your finishing and post it on Canvas and Scissors group, which is a FB group. And please subscribe, प्लीज़ लाइक नहीं भी करोगे चलेगा, पर सब्सक्राइब तो करो ना यार. और देखो पूरा वीडियो देखो यार. अगर नहीं देखने का ज़्यादा कंटाला आ गया है ना तो बंद करके छोड़ दो, लेकिन मेरे को वॉच आवर्स भी चाहिए, अदरवाइज माई चैनल विल नॉट बी मोनेटाइज्ड फास्ट. सो प्लीज़ do it. Okay, so this Durga Ma is with Khulde Bal. Nice Durga Ma. So bye till then, children. Have a nice day. And next will be the Tirchi Topi world.